What's going on, JDM family? It's your boy Austin back again with another video, and today I'm introducing my 1990 Mazda Miata. So I picked this up pretty cheap. Okay, I'm gonna do a little walk around the car here. So right off the bat, these wheels need to go. That is the first thing. The second thing is, I guess it was rear-ended, so this piece is missing. Supposed to look like that, but I could probably just pick that up from a junkyard. Paint, I don't really know how the condition is because it's super dirty. It was sitting in his backyard for about 6 months, not really driven. I know there's a little damage right here, and this is just burnt, so it's a little clapped. Tint's peeling. It only has tint on the passenger window, by the way. What else here? It's, like I said, it's just super dirty. But this fender, I want to get it replaced. It's dented, obviously. There's a little dent on the bumper, but I'm not really worried about that stuff. Interior wise, the door panels are there. I have that speaker cover. It is in the trunk. I have these side rails, whatever you call them, plastic parts that go here. The seats are in pretty good condition. I have my hoodie over there and hat, but little aftermarket NRG wheel, but it is really flimsy, so I have to hold it from the sturdy part right here. Shift's great. It is a 1.6. I'm gonna pop the hood for you. This is Tino's safety spec. He just let it sit on the ground right there. He's currently burning his tips blue.
Making burnt tips.
Burnt tips for cheap.
Yeah, I won't buy titanium. It's too much.
So as far as engine goes, it is a 1.6, sadly. Cold air intake's super dirty. I power washed this at work already, but I need to do it again. Yes, I covered that up. I want to take it off. I honestly don't know if I need to cover anything else up when I power wash it, but I did it anyways. 1.6, I think it's completely stock besides the aftermarket radiator. It's actually an aluminum one, so it cools the car way better, honestly, that I've noticed. The temps don't even go above half, so that's good there. Okay, so future plans that I want to do for this car, I need it on wheels. Like, there's no exception for these Steelies. They just look really bad. So wheels, coilovers, because right now it's lowered on eBay coilovers, and those don't really feel the best or ride the best. So, you know, when I'm driving down the road, it's just like knocking and stuff like that. I don't think that's all right. I should probably check on that. So as far as the other problems, the passenger rear brake line is leaking a little bit. So every now and then I have to fill the brake fluid. And then I believe the radiator hose is leaking somewhere from the bottom. I have to check under that today, and it needs a valve cover gasket. So the price that I paid, I mean, sure, it's not really the prettiest, but I'm gonna make it super clean. You know, I just want to do a lot of stuff to this car, considering that I have the Civic as a daily. So right now, I just showed up to Tino. He's burning his tips right now, but I'm gonna detail this thing, wash it, fully vacuum it, get all the dirt, like grime, everything off the door panels, the dash, steering wheel, seats. I might want to take out the seats and probably shampoo the carpets or something like that. But for right now, this is it. It's a 1990 with 154,000 miles. So the price that I paid for this thing, man, it's really good deal. I think you just wasted your time.
They're supposed to get burned. I think it just takes time. Like,
It does take time.
Then you need to get like super fucking hot.
Probably. Should I lick it? Nah.
Touch it, see what's hot.
I'm not touching that. You just let the torch sit on it for like, look at what you're doing. That's what's it called? OSHA violations.
That's not OSHA violations.
That's Tino's safety.
It's compliant.
Just hosed it down. It's already getting dark, so I'm just gonna wash it super quick and then just probably pull it in the garage to detail it. All right, well, I didn't get to see it because it's dark. It doesn't look that bad, honestly. Like, I mean, my scuffs, sun faded paint, Rock Chip City. Look at this. All these rock chips, dude. And I'm an idiot. And I scratched the paint off. I don't know if it was there or not, though. I feel like it wasn't, but
Yeah, the whole.
I don't know. I scratched it off with a brush.
You should just wire it all off and be like brushed aluminum look.
Nah. So I figured out that these... Oh, my... Dude. I figured out these are Plasti Dip Steelies. Who does that?
They're glossy. They're like polished underneath.
Oh, and I'm missing a lug nut.
Oh, that's nice.
I mean, it's all... I don't know. She's a little ripper. But not... It doesn't look that bad.
A little clappy, but
It is a little clappy.
it's the tires throw.
Okay, guys, so we just made it to the car wash. Free vacuums, so we're just gonna vacuum it right now. We just washed it. It looks really good. I know I just said that in the last clip, but dude, I can't get over this car. So all this stuff under the seats, behind the seats, under the soft top, just like vacuum it completely. Just get everything out, and then we'll go back home and we'll touch up all the plastics and wipe it down, the windshield, the door panels. Just make this thing like 100% legit. All right, we just finished vacuuming it. Looks good. So nice. We're gonna go touch up the plastics now. All right, guys, we just finished the detail. Everything's looking good. Feels really smooth. Just cleaned everything up. So yeah, this is the finished product. Thanks, Tino, for your help. All right, guys, I have a big announcement to make. So this Thursday, we're having a big merch drop on our website, www.extrajdm.com. We're going to have all sorts of things for sale. Just make sure you check it out. Thank you guys for watching the video. If you liked it, hit the like button. If you want to subscribe, go ahead and subscribe. Thank you. I'll see you in the next one.